another episode of Car Addiction. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Canon air filters. This is how the clean side looks, and on the clean side it practically looks brand new. If I flip it, that's how the dirty side looks. Now if you bought the Canon air filter cleaning kit, it makes the work really easy. That's a cleaner, and right after that, that's the oil thing. All this is this cleaner it's an all-purpose degreaser. So I guess if you have some sort of an engine degreaser or something like that, will just work fine. And after that, you just have to spray some oil back in. Don't go heavy on it, just a little bit of light spray is just fine. What I do for my use is I use a mixture of glass cleaner, a little bit of dishwash, because they, to me, that does the same job. Alrighty then, seems like all I have to do is introduce a little bit more oil. So I use my homemade degreaser on this side of the unit, and I introduce water from this side of the unit so the contaminants can go reverse and drop it off from this side. But there were a little bit of oil on this side of the unit, which I basically used some hot water and poured it through this side, which made the oil get out from this side. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to introduce or spray anything on this side because this is the cleaner side. I'm just going to spray on this side and slap it in the vehicle and move on. And as you will notice, I would not put any heavy coatings in it because there has been complaints regarding oiled air filters where the oil makes it to the map sensor, and it destroys the map sensor, or at least it starts feeding wrong signals. Alright, works. One coat. That's it. That's all I'm going to use. Well, you have made it to the end of the video. If you like what I do, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications for a lot more awesome videos to come forward. This month I'm giving away 2 headlight restoration kit. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, like this video, and put a comment in the comment section.